Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If we're thinking about upgrading our creative workspace with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best sewing machines for beginners, chosen for their overall ease of use, features, durability, and value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. We guarantee you'll find your perfect option. Let's get started right now. First up is the Brother CS7000X Sewing Machine. This computerized option packs 70 built-in stitches and a clear LCD display that takes the guessing out of stitch selection. It features a fixed needle bar for stable stitching, an improved automatic needle threader, and an included wide table that's perfect for larger quilting projects. Setup is incredibly painless, and you don't even need to use the foot pedal because the machine controls let you start, stop, and reverse right on the body. Experts praise its versatility and ease of use, making it a great tool to grow your skills. However, users mention it's not a heavy-duty machine for industrial fabrics and can struggle a bit on very thin materials. Some find the needle threader instructions a little confusing at first, but for everyday crafts, denim mending, and quilting, this lightweight machine is a very smart pick. It runs quietly, handles thick seams like butter, and offers incredible value without a steep learning curve. We highly recommend this reliable and smooth model for anyone wanting a solid, hassle-free computerized experience that genuinely delivers today.
Next up, we have the Brother XM2701 Lightweight Machine. This mechanical workhorse is incredibly simple, making it a favorite for beginners who want a reliable, unfussy tool. It features 27 built-in stitches, an easy-to-use dial stitch selector, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. It also packs a handy automatic needle threader and a bright LED work light. The design is compact and highly portable, so you can easily pack it away in a closet or carry it to a local craft class. Real-world users love how quiet and smooth this machine runs, highlighting that it makes everyday repairs and basic alterations feel painless. But there are a few trade-offs. Because it's so lightweight, some customers report it can move or slide around on the table if you run it at maximum speed. Experts also warn that it isn't built to plow through thick leather or multiple layers of heavy denim. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly machine for basic sewing and light projects, this is a beautiful choice that won't fight you. It works incredibly well for most home sewing tasks overall.
Third on our list is the Janome MOD-15 Sewing Machine. This heavy-duty option features a solid metal interior frame that ensures skip-free stitching and fantastic long-term durability. It features 15 built-in stitches, adjustable stitch length, and a 5-piece feed dog system. It also packs a quiet, top-loading, jam-proof bobbin system and a drop feed lever for free-motion quilting. The design is compact and highly stable, making it a great secondary machine or a sturdy daily driver for beginner sewists. Experienced users note that it sews stretchy knit fabrics beautifully without skipping any stitches. However, it does have some quirks. Customers report that it doesn't seem to like cotton thread, which can snap easily, so you're better off using polyester thread instead. Others find the built-in work light is way too dim for night sewing, and the included triangle screwdriver is awkward to handle. Despite those small flaws, experts love its sturdy build and clean, straight stitches. It's a fantastic, reliable investment that will easily last you for many years. We definitely recommend this quiet machine for anyone who values stable, skip-free sewing.
Fourth, we're looking at the Singer MX60 Sewing Machine. This ultra-compact option is designed for absolute simplicity, making it incredibly easy to use for quick alterations and craft projects. It features 6 built-in stitches, delivering 57 stitch applications, preset stitch length and width, and a heavy-duty interior metal frame. The classic vertical bobbin design is highly reliable, and its lightweight body with a fold-down handle makes transportation a breeze. Many users adore how straightforward this machine is to thread, noting that it makes sewing accessible and fun. However, it does have a few drawbacks. It lacks an automatic needle threader, so you'll have to rely on manual threading. The foot pedal feels very light and tends to slide around on the floor, and the exterior plastic shell can feel a bit delicate compared to heavy-duty models. It can also snag or jam in the bobbin area if thread bundles up. Still, if you want a budget-friendly, portable machine for simple mending, it's a solid, reliable choice. We highly recommend it for any beginning crafter who wants something light, fast, and extremely easy.
Finally, we're checking out the Poolin EOC02 Computerized Sewing Machine.
This high-tech option boasts an incredible library of 200 built-in stitches, including decorative and alphanumeric patterns clearly displayed on its LCD screen. It features a wide table, 7 presser feet, and an automatic needle threader. It also packs a start-stop button for foot-free sewing and a handy speed control slider. The design is modern and exceptionally quiet, making it perfect for late-night crafting without waking up the entire household. Users love how smooth and vibration-free this machine runs, highlighting the beautiful and highly consistent stitch quality. However, it does have a few drawbacks. Customers report that it struggles to handle more than 3 layers of fabric, making it difficult to sew heavy binding or thick quilts. The built-in work light is a bit weak, and scrolling through all 200 stitches on the screen can feel slow. Despite these quirks, experts agree that the incredible variety of creative options makes this computerized machine a fantastic premium pick. It's a highly capable option for absolutely anyone seeking modern, automated features for their craft space. And that wraps up the top 5 best sewing machines for beginners. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Make sure to let us know in the comments below which model you're planning to choose for your upcoming creative projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one very soon. Happy sewing, everyone!